In this video, I'll show you how to download AccuWeather on Smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find it helpful. So if you have a Smart TV like mine and want to download AccuWeather, here's what you can do. If you don't have Google Play Store. Now the first thing you have to do is to try to use this application called Downloader, which is an intermediate application. I love using it so much. If you have a Smart TV, Downloader is a must-have application for you. So what Downloader does is that it helps as an intermediary that helps you to find applications, APKs from the internet, and you can download them to your Smart TV. So if you don't have download on your Smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to guide you to get Downloader. So after getting Downloader, just launch it, and here's how the interface look like. As you come over here, in the search bar, you're going to type in the right keyword. The right keyword could be something like AccuWeather, or maybe install AccuWeather, or download AccuWeather, or just AccuWeather APK, anyone you search for. So once you type in the right keyword, just come over here and search go. And Downloader is going to go ahead to show you the various options where you can get the application from the internet. Now you can always scroll here to see which one works. Here's an option, can scroll down to see any other options. So these options are going to depend on the keyword that you write. If you are not okay, click on next and keep on searching for the right. Now, but for the sake of time, we're just going to go ahead and try this option. As you click on this option, here's what happens. We're going to get a link like this. And if we see the install button, then we can use this install button to download the application to our smart TV. That's very easy. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful.